to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about kalonji, which is also known as black seed in English, and how this is a magical seed and how it is helpful in your daily life, how it will gonna help you in growing your hair and getting you a flawless skin. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. This kalonji is like an ancient secret of having that black and long hair and having that beautiful skin. Kalonji is a black seed, is an onion seed also actually, and this is like amazing for your hair growth and for your skin. And for that, here I'm taking this kalonji black seeds capsules, I must say, and I have seen a huge difference on my hair growth and on my skin also. So this is the kalonji. This boosts immunity, stamina also. It helps in growing your hair to good. It also helps you in achieving that clearer, flawless skin. It helps in managing diabetes. If you are suffering from diabetes, it helps you in digestion system. It strengthens your joints and bones. It helps in managing the blood pressure. So there are so many goodness of things. This video is especially for my mamas or for my beautiful ladies, because this is like everything which mom or a middle-aged woman needs. So this video is especially for you guys. So this is like a natural blessing for a healthy life. Trust me, because kalonji is totally natural, and many of you are taking it, I know, and many of you are aware of this thing. This is something which is like helps you like so many problem and one solution kind of thing it is. So I'm going to tell you more about this kalonji black seeds. So beauties, here it is also written that if you are taking daily use of kalonji, helps you in strengthening your body from inside, prevents from several diseases, helps you in regrowing of your hair, and gives you in achieving that healthy and glowing skin. This is something which every woman, if you are 30 plus or 35 plus, you should take. But I'm also taking it because I want to achieve that beautiful hair. So that's why I'm also taking this kalonji, because this is totally herbal, totally natural, and even you can buy that kalonji also from shops and all. But this capsule is working amazingly. My mom is taking it and she is so satisfied. So I was just like, I think I should make a video on it also. So I decided to make a video because there are so many women who are suffering from diabetes, blood pressure problem, then if you are suffering from a disorder of sleeping, then if you are suffering from a digestion problem, that this kalonji is solution from all those problems. And I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. You just go and check the description box. So my lovely ladies and my beautiful mamas, just go for this. It will gonna help you in your daily life, in just regulates your blood pressure, diabetes, and digestion problem. If you're having sleeping problem, then this kalonji jar is for you. Just go for it. Check my description box. And beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, this is not only for ladies. Like I am also eating it. I'm only 23 and I'm eating it. If you want to achieve that good and beautiful skin and just want to grow your hair, because this is totally natural, everyone can take it, no problem at all. So beauties, just check my description box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Do give me a thumbs up. I see you in my next video. Bye and take care.